Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today is 31st December 2022 and this is how I'm ending my year. Number one, I'm in the village and doing laundry. Look at that. Yep. I hope you've seen that better because I'm not taking another clip. Number two, I have a very bad flu. It has taken 4 days to become this bad. So bad. But it's already 6 p.m. and I'm planning to go for a Mugithi night because I must. Kurukisha mwaka, we must do these things, yeah? Niko kwa plantation, yeah. So thank you for subscribing to my channel. That is my sister. We are doing laundry together. Look at those hands though. I don't even know why I polished my nails. So we are going for a Mugithi night together. I will show you what will happen. My name is Rebecca Wanjiro. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Call me the village girl. And let's see what happens after this. Also, before anyone asks, we are doing laundry at this garden or shamba or this place because there's a stream here. It's easier to do laundry here than carrying water all the way to home because it's a bit far. Maybe look at that place. It's very far. You can't even see the house. It's very far. So it's easier to do it here than carrying water kwa mgongo and then doing laundry at home. So you better bring your clothes here. Yeah, you'd better bring your clothes here and do it. And the stream is here. So quiet. Super quiet. Let me show you. Woo! Okay, I almost fell. Okay, let's walk. So here it is. This is the water we are using. This one, yep, a very small stream, and it's very quiet. So you can't even know whether there's water, whether the water is running or not. It's very quiet. Look at that. Okay, I hope you've seen that. So yeah, now let's finish doing these things. guys it is now what, 9:30 p.m. and I'm putting on my clothes. You don't dress much, you just need jeans and t-shirt and I'm good to go. Eleven p.m. Friday, we are going to be a better world.